I'm grateful to have found some time away from the city, and what best way to relax and unwind than to have a day at the beach. The tan fades, but the memories last a lifetime. Hello there, and thank you very much for joining me today. Today's video is about a simple summer DIY that would help you to remove tan from your skin. It would hydrate your skin and it would also remove any dullness caused by sun damage. But before we begin, I would like to thank all of you for supporting my channel. Do leave a comment with your suggestions, questions, and I would love to hear from all of you. So let's see what are the things that we are going to need for this simple DIY. I would use a very clean glass bowl. I would first use yogurt. It fades blemishes, removes tan, cools down your skin. I would add a few drops of lemon juice. It has skin lightening properties. It is rich in vitamin C. I would be using honey, which lightens scars and gently exfoliates your skin and conditions your skin from within. Turmeric, as you know, has healing properties. It removes acne, it reduces rash, and it stops your skin from breaking out. So to the bowl, I'm going to first add the yogurt. I use some of the water from the yogurt as well. So this is my base for the pack. I will add a few drops of lemon juice to it. Then I would use maybe a teaspoon of honey. This is the star ingredient in this pack. And then I'm going to use a pinch of turmeric. Be careful with this one because it might stain your skin. I enjoy using this pack twice a week on moist skin. I wash my face well and then I keep this pack on for 10 to 15 minutes and then I scrub and wash it off. Remember to hydrate your skin after you have washed off this pack. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye-bye and have a wonderful week ahead.